Top of the morning to you lads, and welcome back to another video, guys. So in today's video it's going to be an unboxing, but before I get into that unboxing, I want to give a big shout out to a buddy of mine. His name is Franklin8806. He's on Instagram and he's on YouTube. I won a giveaway on one of his giveaways that he was doing. I know exactly what I won, but I want to share it with you guys, so I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. But go ahead and check out his channel. He goes to a lot of auto shows, he goes to like a lot of events, does like a lot of road tests and stuff like that. So his link will be down in the description below. So let's go ahead and get it started. So as you can see here is from Franklin to me. I don't care about if you guys know what city I live in because it's kind of a small city, but anyway, who cares? Yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing opened.
Start from this side.
What do we have here? The best part of any package is the packing stuff. Whoa. We have a Sony AS50. So, Sony AS50, I actually really needed one of these for the channel. What else did it come with? Came with a 16 meg SD card. Focus. So 16 meg SD card. Sony AS500 or 50, sorry. Focus, come on. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. I actually prefer Sony products over GoPro any day, personally. So let's see what's inside this one. Okay, we have a mount adapter. We have the USB cable. We have our battery. What else is in here? And we have some manuals, which will come in handy very soon when I go ahead and dive down and everything. Alright, that was the first little box that was in there. So we have these little guys. Battery, SD card. Now let's see what's inside of this one. I'm gonna obviously assume that it is the said camera. If I can get it open. Ooh. Wow, hefty boy. I like how Sony packages their stuff too. Sony always packages their stuff really. Oh, it's black too. Awesome. So here we are. This is the Sony AS50. Nice little packaging here. Let's go ahead and open it up. How you open it up is right here. You ask for hold. Because I have an AS15. Oh, it's on the bottom. And I never really even use it anymore. And here we go. Nice, small, size of my hand. These things are really versatile. Oh, it has little holes right here too, so you can actually adapt it without using the mount for non-waterproof use. So that's really cool. So power's right here. Recording and interiors right here. Your menu up and down. Nice small. Right here you have your SD card port right here. And then right here you have your lock and open. And then you have your USB port right here. don't think it takes an external audio source that I know of yet. But other than that, I heard the audio on here is really good. You lock right here for the battery to go in. This is unlocked. Actually, this is locked right here. This is open. So I don't really want to break it. So you pop this right here, and then you pop your battery in right here. Okay, so with my mistake, I thought the battery went the opposite way with the label and everything sticking out, but it actually pops in this way and just slides right on in. So yeah, it has pop it in this way. To close it, you go ahead and pop this back in there. Go ahead and slide this bad boy back on in here. You pop all this back in here, slide this back up forward to lock it, and then we can go ahead and turn it on. Let's see what kind of battery life it has. Wow, that's loud. Okay, now it wants you to go ahead and, come on, focus. Change your time zone, 12 hours. Enter is once again the record button. It wants you to off. It is 2018, 19, just kidding. And it is, I don't know the date, but it's fine. It wants you to do all the time zone stuff. It's okay. So it says no SD card. Hopefully you guys can see that. No SD card right there. So we're gonna go ahead and pop in the SD card, and the next clip you're gonna see is its mobility and how you can use it with the app and everything like that. So let's go ahead and get into it. Of the new camera, guys. So let's go ahead and take a walk around of the car, and yeah, let's go ahead and walk around the car and see what the quality actually looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, all that stuff, and yeah, go ahead and check the link down below for Franklin's Instagram and his YouTube page. And yeah, stay focused, guys. Be safe, and I'm out.